You are watching Information with Imran. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or change your username of Facebook account. So let's go. So here is the Facebook account. Click here and on setting, then click on the personal detail, click on profile, then again click on profile, and here is the username. Click on the username. See, here is the username. You can add here username, or you can change here username. So we are going to add it. Let's select a username. Information with, sorry, no space, Imran. We can able to choose a username, so we cannot choose a username right now. So here you can edit or change your username. The reason is here that we cannot choose a username because we have just created the account. So that's why you can create, no problem for you. Thank you. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.